Today we discuss problems in predicates and quantifiers. We know that predicates are statement which has if x plus y is equal to 2. It is a predicate. Since we assign values for x and y, the truth value of this statement becomes true or false. So this is a predicate, and the quantifiers are universal quantifier for all and there exists quantifier. Also we know that there exists one is another quantifier. Okay, based on predicates and quantifiers, first we discuss a problem. Let the universe be the integers and let n of x denotes x is a non-negative integer and e of x denotes x is odd and p of x denotes x is a prime number. Okay. Sorry, e of x denotes x is even and o of x denotes x is odd. Okay. First question, there exists an even integer. There exists an even integer. An even integer e of x. There exists an even integer, so there exists x e of x. That is first answer of the first question. Second question, every integer is even or odd. Even or odd. Even or odd. Every integer is. So for all integer is even or odd. Okay. Third question. All prime integers are non-negative. All prime integers are non-negative. That is, if an integer is prime, then it is non-negative. So if an integer is prime, then it is non-negative. Okay, non-negative represented by n of x. So for all x, p of x, n of x. Here n of x is defined as non-negative integers. Okay. Fourth one, the only even prime is 2. The only even prime is 2. Okay, that means if an integer is even and prime, an integer is even and prime, then that integer is 2. Okay, so we write it as an integer is prime and even. Prime and even. Okay. For all integer, that integer is even and prime, then that integer is equal to 2. Okay. For any integer, prime and even, that implies that integer is 2. Okay. The only even prime is 2, represented like this. Using quantifiers, we will represent like this. For all x, p of x and e of x, conditional x is equal to 2. Okay. Next one is, next we write, there is one and only one even prime. There is one and only one even prime. How can we represent it? There is only one, there is one and only one. There exists only one, that is represented by this quantifier. There exists one. One and only one even prime. So there exists one. There exists one and only one x, which is even and prime. that prime is 2. So we write it as there exists one and only one prime and even. Okay. Next is not all integers are odd. Not all integers are odd. Okay. How we can represent all integers are odd? All x such that O of x. Okay. All integers are odd. Not all integers are odd. Represented by put a negation before for all x odd. Of all integers odd, that is for all x O of x. Not all integers are odd. Negation for all x O of x. Okay. Not all primes are odd. Not all primes are odd. If a number is prime, then it is odd. That is not true by this sentence. Not all primes are odd. Not for all x, prime number implies odd. Not for all x, prime number implies odd. Okay. Not all primes are odd. Next is, if an integer is not odd, then it is even. If an integer is not odd, then it is even. For all x, the integer is not odd, then it is even. Not odd implies it is uneven. Okay. Second question. Use quantifiers to express the statement, there is a woman who has taken a flight on every airline in the world. For that, we take PWF. PWF as W has taken a flight. Woman has taken a flight. QTA. QFA, not TA, QFA. That is flight. F is a flight on A. There is a woman who has taken a flight on every airline in the world. That can be represented using quantifiers. Okay. There is a woman, so there exists a woman who has taken a flight on every airline. Okay. Who has taken a flight on every airline. For every airline, there exists a flight. Okay. There is a woman who has taken a flight on every airline. So, P, W, F and Q, F, A. Okay. PWF and QFA. That is, W has taken a flight and flight is on all airline. So, we represent using the quantifiers. There is a woman. For every airline, there exists a flight in which W has taken a flight and F is a flight on every airline. That is, there is a woman who has taken a flight on every airline in the world. Or we can represent it as, write RWFA. RWFA as W has taken a flight F on an airline. Okay. There exists W for all airline. There exists a flight RWFA. You can represent the given sentence in this form. form or in this form. Okay. Next problem. Translate each of the following sentences into symbols. First using no existential quantifiers and second using no universal quantifiers. Okay. Not all cars have carburetors. Not all cars have carburetors. Represent this sentence first using universal quantifier without existential quantifier. Okay. Second, represent the same sentence using existential quantifier. There we do not use the universal quantifier. Okay. So let car of x, that is x is a car, and carbu of x, that is x has a carburetor. The first sentence is not all cars have carburetors. Car of x, conditional carburetor of x. That means if x is a car, then it has a carburetor. For all x, car of x, conditional carburetors of x. For all x, car of x, conditional carburetors of x. That means for all cars have carburetors. Our sentence is not all cars have carburetors. So we use negation here. That means not all cars have carburetors. Okay. Then we represent this sentence using there exists quantifier. Okay. There exists an x. There exists a car. There exists a car which have no carburetors. Not all cars have carburetors means there exists a car which have no carburetor. There exists a car which have no carburetor represented by negation. Car of x. This bracket represents if there is a car, that is a carburetor. Car, conditional carburetor. Negation means there exists a car, that car has no carburetor. Okay. So there exists x, negation of car of x, conditional carburetor of x, also represented as negation of car of x, that is P conditional Q is negation P or Q, like this. Then we apply De Morgan's law, negation of P or Q, that is P and negation P and negation Q. So here negation of negation car of x and negation carburetor of x. So this bracket read as car which do not have a carburetor. Car which do not have a carburetor. There exists a car which do not have a carburetor. Not all cars have carburetor. That is same as there exists a car which do not have a carburetor. Okay. Next problem. No dogs are intelligent. Let dog of x equal to x is a dog. Intel of x is equal to x is intelligent. No dogs are intelligent. That means if it is a dog, it is not intelligent. That is dog implies if it is a dog, it is not, by negation it is not intelligent. That is for all x, a dog is not intelligent. For all dogs are not intelligent. Okay. That is no dog are intelligent. For all x, dogs are not intelligent. So negation of negation P conditional Q, that is negation P or Q. Okay. P conditional Q, that is negation P or Q. We use here double negation. Double negation means negation of negation P is P itself. So here we use P conditional Q as negation P or Q, also use double negation. First negation, distribute over for all. For all, negation of for all, that means there exist. Okay, negation of for all, that is for all exist. Okay, or for all x, that is negation of there exist of x. Okay, negation of there exist of x, that is for all x. Negation of, distribute a negation inside the bracket, we get negation of negation dog of x, or changes to and negation of negation indel of x. Here we use De Morgan's law also. So for negation of there exists x, dog of x and indel of x. Okay, that is dogs are intelligent. There exists no dogs. So that is negation. There exists no dogs which are intelligent. Next is some numbers are not real. Num of x, x is a number. Real of x, x is real. Some numbers are not real. A number and not real. So there exists a number which is not real, represented by there exists number of x and there exists negation real of x. Number and not real. A number which is not real. There exists a number which is not real. Okay. There exists represented by for all using negation. Negation for all, that means there exists. Okay. So the negation for all x, negation of num x for all real x, that is by De Morgan's law. So negation for all x, number of x, conditional real of x. There is no such number exists which is not. So some numbers are not real. So some numbers are not real.
Okay.